This astonishing structure, built in the form of a giant Burmese python, has been slowly reclaimed by the jungle for decades.
Deep within the dense jungle lies the legendary snake house.
Okay, the priority is the structural integrity of the upper jaw. Use the scanner to map the erosion before we start clearing the vines. We need to secure the main structure before we proceed. Look at the cracks near the eye.
Roger that. Let's get the laser scan data first.
We've reached the primary structure. The erosion is worse than expected. Advise caution on approach.
We're at the entrance now. The erosion on the lower jaw is significant. We're proceeding with caution. Over.
We need the scaffolding staged over there by the mouth.
All right, I'll have the team move it now.
Put the cones along this line. Make sure the perimeter is clear.
Roger that. Where do you want the generator?
Over here by the lighting rig.
We need the scaffolding secured by the main entrance.
Move those cables clear of the path.
The LED panels should cover this section evenly.
Yeah, the blueprint says angle them slightly north.
Watch that root system. We need to preserve it.
Got it. Bring the cutter over here, Ben.
Watch the foundation stones right there.
Got it. I'll clear this section next.
We're detecting a major fissure right here at the base.
Acknowledged. Send the drone in for a closer look.
The readings here are unstable. Check the upper joint.
Copy that.
Moving to the apex now.
Structural integrity looks stable on the lower arch. Thermal readings are nominal.
We have visual on the main doorway. Proceeding with caution. The air quality seems stable.
Confirmed. Keep the scanner active.
The structure is fundamentally sound, but the moss required delicate removal.
Agreed. We'll prioritize the central supports for now.
The structural integrity here seems stable, but we need to reinforce this section.
Copy that. I'll mark it down for the first phase.
This entire upper arch requires immediate stabilization.
Agreed. Mark it for temporary support struts.
Check the readings on the northern wall, just past the moss line.
Copy that. Moving to the north wall now.
Be careful with that stone. It looks fragile.
Okay, I'll put it here with the others. This structural crack here seems significant. The moss coverage is extensive.
The laser scan confirms the depth.
The reading on sector gamma is complete.
All right, let's cross-reference that with the drone imagery, see if the exterior matches the interior displacement.
We need to prioritize these structural cracks near the apex.
Agreed. The laser scan confirms the depth.
Look at the displacement readings here on the tablet. The stress fracture extends deeper than we thought.
We need to prioritize this section for reinforcement.
Careful with that piece. Watch your step, almost clear.
Clear the path on the left. We're bringing the slab through.
Roger that. Moving the vines now.
Bring that section out, we'll clear the path.
Okay, making progress on the main corridor now.
We need precise measurements before the next brace goes in. The laser scan confirms the displacement here. Okay, torque it to 150 and hold.
The structural integrity here is compromised. We'll use the temporary supports until the grout sets.
Understood. Keep the pressure steady on the drill.
Easy on the left side, bring it up 10 centimeters.
Copy that. Watching the pressure gauge.
Secure the base plate.
The structural integrity reading is stable at 85%. Good. Proceed with the injection sequence on sector gamma.
Be careful around the eye carving. Use the soft brush here.
Okay, I've secured this edge. How does the polishing look?
This moss is stubborn. We need to be gentle around the teeth.
I'll switch to the fine tool for the crevices.
Apply the polish evenly now. Watch the hairline crack.
Okay, making sure the moss is completely gone first. Be very careful with this part. It is quite fragile. Use the sealant sparingly.
Yes, I am using the small brush now.
The air quality is stable. Let's move in.
Recording temperature and humidity now.
Clear. Watch your step.
All right, we'll secure this section.
Documenting the entrance now. The detail is incredible. Look at these carvings. They match the outer wall.
The readings here are incredible.
Careful, take it slow right there.
The structural integrity seems stable. I'm starting the laser scan now. We've got a complete scan of the upper serpent motif. Align the grid pattern precisely with the serpent motif here. We need accurate measurements of this curve.
The structural integrity here is remarkable. Look at how the grid aligns.
Yes, the serpent design actually provides support.
Command, this is Unit 3. Stabilization is complete on the main archway.
We are finalizing the scale details on this section.
We are making good progress on the serpent wall. The humidity levels are stable. Authorization to continue.
Be careful with the pressure on the lower carving.
Yes, I'm almost finished with this section, moving to the main chamber next.
According to the blueprint, this section requires immediate stabilization. Move the reinforcement team to the upper level.
Section here shows significant stress fractures.
Okay, let's prioritize stabilization before we move the scaffolding. The erosion near the mouth is worse than expected. We need to reinforce this section immediately.
Understood. I'll relay that to the team at the base.
We need to stabilize this section before the rains hit. The moss is holding moisture.
Copy that. I'm allocating the stabilization team to Grid 4.
The structural integrity here is compromised. We need support beams by the entrance.
All right, team, shifting focus to the main entrance. Bring the stabilizers up front.
Okay, bring the lift down slowly now.
We're ready for the next panel on the east wall.
Check the connectors before we seal them up.
Okay, bring that panel up to the scaffold. Almost there, watching the cabling.
Mount the next panel just above the carving.
Roger that. How are the cables looking over there?
Secured and ready for power.
Keep the buffer steady over there. This section is ready for inspection.
Bring the marble through this section.
Watch the corner alignment.
That fits perfectly with the curve.
Let's center the sofa just slightly more.
Yes, that aligns perfectly with the curve. Bring the glass table closer to the edge. Let's center the sofa right here, aligned with the doorway.
Careful with the glass table, it's very heavy.
Yes, softly now. It looks magnificent.
Let's center the glass table on the rug.
It looks stunning against the stone walls. We are almost done.
Just a few more inches to the left, please.
Is that aligned with the rug now?
It's perfect. The lighting really highlights the textures.
Place the sculpture just there, centered on the table. It complements the architecture.
And the vase here, the light hits it nicely.
Excellent, it's coming together beautifully.
Is the seal secure?
Yes, completely flush with the stone.
Good job. Let's remove the suction cups.
All right, steady now. Push it to the left just a bit.
Okay, I have the suction engaged. It's secure.
There we go.
The balance between the daylight and the ambient light is spot on.
It truly highlights the architecture.
How do these emerald cushions look against the stone?
Perfect. The reflection is crystal clear now.
Let's center the chaise lounge with the window. Just a little more polish on the obsidian.
Yes, right away.
These cushions need to be precisely aligned with the carving.
These velvet cushions feel exquisite.
They really tie the room together. We just need to check the spa area next.
And so the sanctuary is finished. A perfect harmony of ancient mystery and modern. Welcome to the ultimate jungle escape. The Steadicam glides through the luxury lounge, integrated bedroom.
Okay, lift it slowly now. Watch the roots on the left.
We're clear here. Keep going.